Hello everyone. My name is Calvin Samuel Stephen, and today I'm going to walk you through a beginner-friendly introduction to PowerShell. So we'll explore what a PowerShell is, why it's powerful, its key features, and how it helps in system automation and IT tasks. Whether you are in system admin, cloud, or DevOps, PowerShell is a must-have skill. So let's get into the topic. So what is a PowerShell? PowerShell is a command line tool and scripting language created by Microsoft. Think of it like an upgraded version of command prompt, but way more powerful and intelligent. So it allows you to talk to your computer using commands instead of clicks. Like you can find and manage files, open programs, automate system tasks, configure settings, manage servers and users. For example, instead of clicking to open and close 100 services, you can run one PowerShell command and finish it in seconds. And it's especially useful when working with large networks or managing cloud environments like Azure. So there are many features for PowerShell. So these are the features of PowerShell. So the first one is automation. So one of the biggest reasons people use PowerShell is automation. Repeating the same task every day is boring and time consuming, right? So PowerShell lets you automate these, like creating multiple users or backing up files. So you write the script once and it can run daily or whenever needed, saving time and avoiding mistakes. So the next feature is command line shell. So PowerShell gives you a terminal where you type commands similar to Linux or CMD, and this is perfect when you need to manage systems remotely, or if the system doesn't have a GUI, that is a graphical user interface. So admins mostly love this because it's fast, precise, and more powerful. So the next feature is that is scripting language. So PowerShell is not just about running one-line commands or so on. It's complete scripting language. So you can create scripts using loops, if-else condition, variables, and functions. So let's say you want to monitor disk usage and send an alert every time it crosses 80%. You can write a PowerShell script to do that and schedule it to run every hour. So the next feature is it's object oriented. So most shell returns plain text. So PowerShell is smarter, it returns objects. For example, if I run a command to check process, it don't just get names. I get detailed objects with memory, CPU usage, and process IDs, and etc. So this lets you filter, sort, or act on data directly. For example, let's say if I am using a command get all process using more than 100 MB RAM and stop them, can be done in just one line or two. So that's how easy it is. So why we need to use a PowerShell? Why use a PowerShell basically? So to automate repetitive tasks, if you're managing users, folders, or service daily, PowerShell saves you tons of time. You can bulk create accounts, clean up logs, or schedule tasks without manual effort. So full scripting capabilities. That is, it's not limited to one-liners. You can build like complex tools, automate server setups, or write custom utilities. And it's object-based output, like we discussed. Objects are easier to work than raw text. Like you can connect commands using pipelines and pass filtered objects between them. So this makes your automation more powerful and clean. And cross-platform support. Like I said, PowerShell works on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So this means you can use the same script across different environment. Great for hybrid teams and DevOps. So integrates with Microsoft ecosystem. That is, PowerShell is built to work seamlessly with Microsoft tools like Azure, Microsoft 365, and Active Directory, that is your AD. You can automate account creation, group management, security settings, and more with just a few commands. The next one is it's DevOps friendly. Like in modern IT, DevOps is all about automation. So PowerShell is perfect for infrastructure as a code, that is IAC, CI/CD pipelines, and automated development. So it works well with tools like Azure DevOps, GitHub Actions, and Jenkins. So the benefits of PowerShell are saves time automating daily work. It reduces manual errors, work across different platforms. It helps manage Microsoft system more efficiently. So it's used in DevOps and cloud automation. So whether you are a beginner or working professional, PowerShell gives you more control and efficiency over your system. So these are the benefits of your PowerShell. So thank you so much for watching my presentation, and I hope this helped you understand why PowerShell is such a valuable tool. So once again, thank you all.